If your Google Play Store is not downloading apps, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps that can fix this problem quickly. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening any other app or website to confirm your internet is stable. If the internet is fine, the next step is to restart your phone. A simple restart refreshes the system and often fixes downloading issues instantly. If the Play Store still isn't downloading apps, clear the cache and data of the Google Play Store. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, try downloading the app again. Next, check your phone's storage. If your device is low on storage, apps won't download. Delete unnecessary files or apps and free up some space before trying again. Another common issue is an incorrect date and time. Make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Wrong time settings can stop the Play Store from connecting to Google's servers. You should also check the Google Play Services app. If Play Services is not working properly, the Play Store won't download anything. Clear its cache and restart your phone. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Sometimes a VPN blocks Google servers and stops downloads. After disabling the VPN, try again. Finally, make sure you are signed in with your Google account properly. If there's a sync issue, sign out and sign back into your Google account. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can fix the Google Play Store not downloading problem. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.